Welcome. In this video I will show you how to insert SIM card and microSD card in Motorola Moto G10. So first of all, once you prepare your microSD card and your nano SIM card, you're gonna have to open your device's tray using a pin like this one. Just insert it into the tiny hole next to your tray and slightly push it inside. This will make the tray jump right out. Remove it from your smartphone. And now what we can do here is either insert two nano SIM cards. If you don't want to use an additional SD card, and to insert them you have to place one like this, and the second one goes here like this. Now if you want to use a SIM card and an SD card simultaneously, you will have to use only one SIM card. Place it here and place your SD card right next to it this way. Just let me carefully align it so it goes like this. Make sure that both your SIM card and SD card sit firmly, and then insert them back into the port for the tray. Push it inside, make sure that it slightly clicks. And now, to check whether or not your phone recognizes the SIM card, go to settings and check the check the network and internet. I guess it's here. Yeah, network and internet, SIM cards, and see if your phone recognizes your SIM card. Okay, as you can see, everything works fine. Now for the SD card, in order to check whether or not our phone recognizes it, let's go to the apps menu, and we're gonna have to find the files application. Tap continue. Now let's tap the menu icon right here. Okay, oh no, actually scroll down to the storage devices, and here, as you can see, we have the SD card with 63 gigabytes of available storage in it. And that means that phone recognizes both the SIM card and an SD card. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.